Yeah, hello there. Sound check. One, two, three, four. Hello there, angels. It's Suhimi Sama here once again. So I'm gonna share a new issue or topic here. So feel kong mag-share ng mga word of wisdom on you guys, angels or my old friends, wherever you are. I hope you are all okay. So, I just want to share or to open the eyes of both men and women. My topic right now, it's really an eye opener. It's about girl code. O, di ba? What is girl code? Girl code, definition. Well, I finished BS Biology, batch 2004, with Dr. San Juan. Mitch, I miss you so much. I miss you so much. I'm always praying good things for you. And I hope I can see you again in a little while. So let's go back to my topic. What is girl code? The girl code means it's how you build relationship with your girlfriends. How to create friendship with your girlfriend. So sa babae mong kaibigan. So it's a different thing pa yung relationship with someone na same gender mo. It's another topic. So wala lang, it's just pop up in my head na i-share ko to open the eyes of both men and women since this is really a good topic dahil medyo nagtataka rin ako sa mga old friends ko. And ewan ko lang kung may guilty and I hope walang guilty sa topic na to. I am so scared of making friends with women. I mean, I am friendly. I'm friendly but I am careful kasi may mga babae na parang they have this agenda. I am not accusing everybody here in Cavite, but I've heard there is a particular organization of women here in Cavite na para bang nang challenge sila ng pagiging nilang strong women or parang in short, siguro it's a negative description but I'm sorry I have to say it, nakakababae. Yun nga yung sinasabing they break the girl code. So, for example, I'm gonna give you a particular situation. For example, I like someone, this particular Pilot Garrett, since I'm really liking this particular YouTuber na pilot. And alam mo naman na like ko si Pilot Garrett. And then, there is a particular organization nga dito na pag nalaman nilang ginugusto ng isang babae or ng ibang group, they will make a way to challenge the situation. For example, if the guy can be easily persuaded or influenced by their own agenda, kung ano man yung agenda na yon, or mag-flirt sila just to get the attention of the guy na example gusto ko si Pilot Garrett, or wala lang for their own self-esteem. So yun yung pangit na ugali ng ibang mga babae. So I really just want to open the eyes of men na be careful on choosing your girlfriends, as in girl space friends. So ano pa ba, I remember my friend Rose, my biology mate as well. She asked a favor on me during college because they broke up. There was this particular moment that Ivan and her broke up, but right now they are really happily together as husband and wife. So I just want to set an example na positive girl code. So Rose called me and she asked a favor if I can just return the stuff that Ivan gave to her. So I talked to her, I asked her if she's okay, and parang nasabi niya na I'm still in love with Ivan, something like that. But I need space, and I remember she's crying that time eh. So what I did was I contacted Ivan, now her husband, and I gave to him all the stuff and love letters that he gave to Rose. And I told him na I think you should talk to Rose and do something because she's planning to go back in Japan. And I know that she's still in love with you. So those things are simple, but that was an example of a positive girl code. Kasi may mga ibang girls na instead of, fixing your girlfriend's relationship with a man, they will make a way to ruin or to really damage the relationship of the other women. Yun yung example ng girl code. Ano pa ba? For example, I have a boyfriend. For example, boyfriend ko na si Pilot Garrett. And then, we're friends. Siyempre, babae ka, diba? And at the back, may mga plans ka pala na hindi ko alam. Parang, you are planning a conspiracy against our relationship or against my relationship with someone na you're flirting with my boyfriend without me knowing. Pero pag nahuli ka, ang sasabihin mo bilang isang kaibigang babae na, I didn't mean that way. I just want to check if your boyfriend is real on you or if your boyfriend is easily influenced or persuaded by something, easily persuaded by a particular situation, something like that. So, it's not a good act. It's not a good act na gawin mo yon sa isang friend mo. So, those are the girl code. Ano pa ba? When I said something like a secret, hindi mo naman kailangan ng i-open up sa iba yun, di ba? Kaya nga, it's a secret thing eh. And indirectly putting down your girlfriends in front of the man. Like, for example, you don't have to say negative things of your friends in the eyes of most especially men. Diba? Kasi parang hindi naman siya magiging positive points ng friendship natin. So, I am just really setting here an example of girl code. So, yun nga yun. What else? Aside from, it's really hot these days, and yung heat natin here in the Philippines, it's beyond normal. And I have here an itchy and painful skin at my back. And because of I'm on the super tight budgeting these days, I'm trying this Chalice. And I check the ingredients. There are salicylic acid, resorcinol, zinc oxide, and sulfur that can really possibly heal this kind of skin rash or sweat rash or heat rash. Yun. So, this is the first time na magagamit ko talaga tong Cialis, and I also use a vinegar diluted in a water. Yun, natuyo naman siya, pero andun pa rin yung painful and itchy sensation at my back. So, let's go back to my topic. So, yun nga yung tinatawag na girl code. For girls naman na may ganon, na may ganong agenda, hinto mo na yan. Yung tipong, alam mo naman na gusto ko eh, and then, iti-test mo pa kung totoo siya kay Peachy. Parang, it's not good eh. Without asking me, without telling it to me, without informing me na gagawin mo yon. And pag nalaman pa ng gayon, malamang magalit din sa'yo, diba? Kasi, why will you test other people's heart? Kasi it's not good eh. I know we all have our own free will, diba? I already discussed this on my previous video. I've mentioned the free will that we have as a person. The person has their own personal deep within. It's either you're good or bad. Yun lang naman yung kapupuntahan mo. It's either you're a good person or you're bad. Wala namang gitna. The middle it's a decision making of your soul na ano ba yung dapat kong gawin? 'Di ba? Going to the left or going to the right? Maging masama, maging mabuti. Well, ako, I chose to be a good person. I'm always fair. Most especially when it comes to yung mga girl code nga na yan. Yun, sa mga pagdating sa boys, I am so careful. I'm so careful na hindi ako magkaroon ng clash with my girlfriends when it comes to boyfriend thing. Diba, ang daming lalaki eh. Anyways, case by case. Tapos yung iba, I hope you're not guilty na kinontak mo pa yung ex ko and all of you are missing in action in my life for 17 years na you had sex or you slept with my exes because you have your own personal agenda. Ano ba to compete me? Parang nakakababae na you wanted to feel that you are much more prettier than me or mas maganda ka or ikaw ang more beautiful. I don't think so that it's a good act. So kailangan how I wish that I can change your heart or pray for a new heart or ask for forgiveness. Kasi hindi ko gagawin yun eh. Halimbawa may boyfriend yung friend ko and then ewan ko, it's just really weird na ang Cavite niya, they have that kind of attitude na parang boyfriend ng iba and then they will test the boyfriend of the other girls na if they can get the guy. So what's the point of doing that? Para lang ma-boost mo yung self-esteem mo? It's very an ugly act, an ugly behavior for a particular woman, whoever you are na gumagawa ng ganun. It's not really fair. So yun yung mga example of bad women. So this is really an eye-opener for men. I am opening your eyes, guys. I am fair here. Kasi ako may pagka-boyish talaga ako. But I'm always putting a boundaries on everything. Kahit siguro mayroon akong friend na lalaki and alam kong meron siyang girlfriend, I'm always being careful and putting boundaries. Like what I said a while ago, I'm putting boundaries that I really just wanna prove that I'm really a friend. 'Di ba? Na hindi ka mang-aahas or hindi ka snake, 'di ba? Yung ganon. So, may guilty ba? So, I'm gonna pause for a few seconds and I really just wanna sip my cup of coffee tonight. Dahil kanina pa ako talagang gusto ko tong i-record and I had a hard time syncing my voice on the phone. And I'm planning to buy a new phone and I still don't have enough fundings for now. I'm looking for a job in a little while. But hoping to get a boyfriend like Pilot Garrett. I really, really, really like him na hindi ko alam. I accidentally saw him on the YouTube and he really captivated my heart. He caught my heart, captivated. I am now becoming a prisoner of that particular Pilot Garrett. Diba? How can I resist you, Pilot Garrett? Ooh! So, let's just drink coffee for a few seconds. It's 12:01 here in the Philippines. Yeah, it's good morning. I think it's already May 8th. So yun nga, I just want to do a recap. Don't forget to respect your girlfriend when it comes to boyfriend thing or a boys issue. Remember the girl code. Don't break it, girls. Huwag mo nang i-challenge pang mapansin ka ng boyfriend ng iba. Eh, 'di ba? Hindi mo naman siguro gagawin 'yun intentionally or may agenda ka siguro na just to boost your self-esteem na mas maganda ka sa akin or tipong mas gugustuhin ka. Ako talaga, I didn't do that kind of act on my girlfriends. I always make sure, I always see to it na na I am really a friend. I am really a friend of my friends, yung girlfriends ko na I'm not gonna flirt with your boyfriend, of course. I have pride. 'Di ba? Para bang, bakit mo ba gagawin yun? So, for the Caviteñas, not all, but for some of you who are guilty about this girl code, na alam mo namang gusto ko si Pilot Garrett, and then ipo-persuade mo, you will influence him or flirt with him just to get his attention or to steal him from me. Kasi girl code yan, di ba? Parang sa magbabarkadang lalaki, once na nag-declare na yung isa na, I like this particular girl, di ba kailangan may mga boundaries na, um, may mga limitation na yung lapit nung guy dun sa ginusto ng lalaki. So it's the same thing eh, even on boys or on men. Diba? It's the same thing. Boy code, girl code. So, yun lang. So, don't test the love of someone's boyfriend on their girlfriends without asking permission from your girlfriend. Diba? Because it's really insulting. It's foul. It's really a foul play. So, I hope you've learned something from me every time I shared a topic here. Kasi yung agenda ko, it's to open the eyes of the people. Most especially yung mga guilty friends ko. Sana naman hindi mo na kinontak yung ex ko and then you did something na, ano bang agenda yon? Diba? Ba't mo ginawa yon? Sana naman you talk to me. Tapos sabi mo, isi-save mo ko from the darkness. Hay nako, I'm stuck here and, well, that's life. But, just don't do bad things on your friends. Most especially at the back. Diba? Be fair. So, that's it. Thank you.